Good morning and welcome to sunny Pattaya here in Thailand. It's another scorchio, look at that. Blue skies. Anywho, we were watching one of Jeff Carter's videos the other day and he showed Pattaya's cheapest breakfast. So I thought we'd go and check it out. It's 99 baht, which is just a little bit over £2. And Jeff rated it quite highly. So we're going to have a look. Going to try it out because two opinions is better than one. But yeah, let's go and get Pattaya's cheapest breakfast. So this is the place here, Nicky's. How quick the menu board there. So this is what we're here to get. Full English breakfast. Up until 1 o'clock it's 99 baht. After that it's 149 baht. So here's the breakfast menu. That's the one we're getting, the 99 baht menu. But you have a mega full English. So you get loads of extra bubbles and squeak, extra bacon, black pudding, the whole lot. But this menu is massive. There's quite a lot of English food on it. I'll give you a quick scan through so you can have a look. Page after page after page, look at that. Sunday roasts, ribs, burgers and pastas, sandwiches, and you've got your Thai food, puddings, and then your drinks menu. Here's the drinks coming now. Teas, coffees, waters. Sam's got herself a tea, and me and Gordon's gone for coffee. Yeah. These are included in the breakfast. And Emma's bought an extra bottle of water, but you could have had water instead of a tea or coffee. But Emma's got one extra. So you go, mine's arrived, so you get your fried bread, beans, mushroom, tomatoes. I don't eat them too, but to be fair, 2 rashers of bacon, 2 sausages and 2 eggs. And I've gone for poached eggs, but you don't have fried, scrambled, out you want. And of course I've got to have lashings of HP brown sauce. And they do have HP here. Let's see what the poached eggs like. Oh yes. Well, it's safe to say I enjoyed that. I don't like tomatoes and mushrooms, I said that at the start. But look at that. And mine did come out first though.
3 seconds first. Happy sausage.
That's what she said. If she was a lady boy. Jeffrey was right, mind. Those are a tasty sausage. So there you have it, folks. That is Nicky's. Try and find it. Soy Buakhao is literally the road that leads up that way. I'm not sure how you will find this, but look for that blue and white hotel there, just off Soy Buakhao. And there's Nicky's heading away. Cheapest breakfast in Pattaya. But does cheap mean it's the worst? Definitely not. That's probably one of the best tasting breakfasts I've had in Pattaya. So yeah, get yourself to Nicky's. Tell them TerryTracker or Jeff Carter sent you, because obviously I found out because of Jeff. See you on the next one. Now it's time to do your job.